So I rolled the dough out to a 12-inch circle, and then I made my little crust around here by just folding over a little bit of that and pinching it in. I drizzled the entire pizza dough with olive oil and took a pastry brush and brushed that. And then, as you can see, I have poked holes in them so that it will allow the air to release. You don't have a big puffy pizza. Now we're going to assemble the taco pizza. What you'll need is your taco sauce. We do the mild. I've got the Mexican 4-cheese blend cheese, and then I have my leftover taco meat that has already had the taco seasoning interspersed in that, and I might get a little bit of my homegrown dehydrated oregano to add to this pizza rather, to the top of the pizza. Here we go. So let's assemble this and see how beautiful this is going to look. This is absolutely beautiful. I am so pleased with how circular this crust is. It's one of my better pizza dough rollouts, but I put the taco sauce down. Then I put a layer of the Fiesta 4-cheese blend, or the Mexican 4-cheese blend. Then I put on top of that the ground beef that already has the taco seasoning on it. We had some left over from tacos, and so I went ahead and froze it and to be able to reuse it. I did defrost it before I put it on here. Then I sprinkled the taco meat with dried oregano that I grew from my garden, and then I topped it again with the 4-cheese blend Mexican cheese. And now we're ready to put in the oven at 425 between 13 and 15 minutes. Before we do that, I'm going to go ahead and put my pesto pizza together. Let's do that. So I followed the same process as the other taco one. I did the crust, then I glazed it with olive oil and then pierced the bottom of the pizza dough with a fork. This is my very first time ever using pesto on my pizza. Now this is my pesto that I made earlier. I will link that video down below. I actually froze it, and when I thawed it out, it turned out really well and it kept the aroma. So I'm really going to be excited to see how this tastes. We'll find out together. I've had it in restaurants before, but I've never actually used my own pesto that I've made from my basil that I grew in my garden on a pizza. So this will be a true experiment today. Let's build the rest of the pizza. I'm really excited about this pizza. I put Parmesan cheese down on top of the basil, then put my pepperoni on top. Did I sound Italian? My great-grandfather was Italian. Still need to work on that accent. And then I put some of the bell peppers that I grew this summer from my garden. I put mozzarella cheese on top and then sprinkled it with a little bit of oregano. So I think it's going to taste really, really good, but we'll see in about 15 minutes. It was delicious, and this is going to be a fan favorite, and I will definitely be making this again because I still have some pesto in the freezer to use. Thanks so much for spending your time with me. I hope that you have a wonderful game day, and I hope that your team does well. I'll pop another video for you to watch until we meet again in my next video. Have a great day, and thanks again for spending your time with me.